guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on here today and share some of my yard sale finds. I have like a small little haul as well as some of the stuff I've been finding on the curb for free. This is not all one day, it's over the last couple of weekends. I'm also filming on my phone right now just because it's easier sometimes to just pick up my phone, and the lighting in my house is really dark, so hopefully the quality is decent. Alright, so at the first yard sale, this specific garage sale had tons of vintage and antique things. This is why I never film. I always put things off because there's so much going on around me. Why can't they just love each other? Excuse me. Can I continue? Go lay down. So I grabbed this cheese grater. I just like the patina, the discoloration on it. It was only $1. I don't even own one of these in my actual kitchen supplies, but I thought it'd be cute for decor and for $1. You know, that's hard to pass up. And then the second thing I grabbed there was this. Well, I originally just tried to buy this because I've been looking for a little plant mister that looks similar to this, and I like that it looked aged. It says made in Taiwan, so I don't know if that's vintage or not, but I tried to purchase just this, and then she was like, oh, it goes with this little thing. So I thought, all right, I'll take it. She gave it to me for $2 instead of $3. So I guess I'm just going to repaint this and add something to it, even though for now I'm just kind of displaying this by itself. But it does work, so I don't even own any plants. And then at the second yard sale I went to, she grouped my items. So I found this cool wooden roller. I liked the handles on it, thought that was different than any others that I've seen. And then she also had these cute vintage glass salt and pepper shakers, tiny little things. They need to be cleaned out. They still have like salt in them. I thought they were so cute. It's like a little rusty on the top. I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to put them probably on my tiered tray or somewhere. So she gave me both of these for $1. At the next yard sale, I grabbed a few items, this being one of them. I thought this was cute. It's like this rusty little, just, you know, tray. I thought this would be cute to stack some stuff in, or a plant, a candle, you know, whatever. Same old, but this was only $1. This lighting is so bright. And then they had a bunch of these. This is a 48-inch round, it says round table topper. Got it for $3, and my kitchen table is round, but it's just like a ginormous doily. So, I don't know, I love doilies, and I've never seen one this big and pretty. So I thought this would look cool on my kitchen table. So for $3, I thought that was a good price. And then they also had this mason jar sitting out, and it was also $1, but I really liked the top. See how it's kind of old and it's got like paint splatters on it. I just thought that was cool. I don't know if you can tell, but this has sort of a blue tint to the glass. That does kind of, to me, limit when I can use it. So maybe next summer or spring I'll have to put it out. What does it say on the inside? Genuine porcelain lined cap. Cool, I didn't notice that. So I got that. And everything started with this tray. So this, the jar, the doily, and the next two things I'm showing you, they gave to me for $7. So they had these, they had tea lights in these, but I took them out. These are 25 cents a piece, but I'm pretty sure he gave them to me for free. I thought they were cute for maybe like tiered tray decor. It's like the discoloration once again. And then I love this. This was $1. It says set for $1, but it was just by itself. It's like this aluminum, or just, I don't know if this is aluminum or what, but this little candle holder. And I thought it'd be cute to put a hurricane, what do you call them, like a hurricane globe or glass piece that you put on oil lamps over top of it with a candle inside. So I'm going to try to do that. So I thought that was cool. And then this piece I actually got, I don't know if it was like a thrift store or what, but it was this big warehouse on the side of the road. I saw it while driving with my mother, and we stopped in and picked up some stuff. They had a lot of furniture, but this was, I actually got another thing, so she gave me both of them for $5, but so this was included in that price. I don't know what this is. Is it like an old scooper? But it has this little thing right here to hang on the wall, so that's what I'm going to do. Hang it in my kitchen and put some stuff in it. And I just love the wood. I just thought it was a cool piece. Before we move on to the trash finds, the last items I have are from an auction that I just recently found out about in my area, where you go and they have boxes of stuff outside where you can bid on the whole box and you have to take everything inside of it, or you can go inside and bid on like the big pieces. So I got this box. I already took out the stuff I don't want. Well, this was in it. and I thought it was kind of cool. So I paid $7 for a huge box of stuff. But they had this in there. It says, A Field Guide to Western Birds, and I just liked the illustrations. Let me try to find a cool page. I'm going to start junk journaling like any day now. So I thought this would be a fun piece to maybe take some of the pages out and use for a junk journal. I am starting to like birds in my decor. I used to not like birds at all, but I think they can be kind of farmhousey. I don't know, so I thought that was cool, so I kept that. And then this is the reason I bid on the box. They had a bunch of wood cutting boards, and I thought this one was so cool. Look at this handle. These remind me of those little stools that you buy at like antique stores or Hobby Lobby, the little risers. So I might do that to this, or just display this in the kitchen somewhere. We have a very small kitchen, and there's not any counter space, so it's hard for me to decorate in there, but this is a really cool piece. So that was included in the $7, as well as these. I'm going to sand this one down and just use it. I don't know how yet. There's another one like this. And then this one is kind of cute. It's like a little apple, and then the handle is brass. So it says, made in Thailand expressly for Lord Taylor. Oh, I get nightgowns by that brand. I don't know if it's the same, but I thought this was cool. And the last pieces from the auction box were just these mason jars. I liked this tiny one, and then this piece. The rest of the stuff that was in the box, it was either broken or not my thing at all, so I put it by the curb at my mother's, by the dumpster, so someone might have gotten it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you my recent trash finds from around my neighborhood. I've been driving around on trash days and finding furniture to redo. I've already sold a lot of stuff on Facebook Marketplace, or I just keep it for myself. So I'm going to show you some stuff that I found that I'm excited about. So I found this little mirror. They both need to be cleaned, and we really need to mow our grass, so sorry about that. But this is like a tiny mirror. I think that it was attached to some sort of vanity or something because of the hooks on the side. And then when you push it down, it's just wood like that. So I thought that was a nice little wooden piece. And then I found this big one that I am going to sand down and paint in distress and put it in the kitchen. So I found those on the curb. And then I actually forgot, I got this at the auction as well. I think I paid $7 for it, which I need chairs for the table in the kitchen. If you've watched my other video, you saw I redid a Goodwill table and it doesn't have chairs, so I plan on just doing like mismatched cool looking chairs. So this one was from the auction. It needs a sand and I might paint it, I don't know. And then I found this one on the curb for free, my favorite price. I think it looks great the way it is, but if you get close, you can see there's like some yellowing in here that I don't like. Okay, the AC is so loud. But I kind of like that green coming through. It's really dirty. I need to get some wood glue and fix this, but I really, really like it. So I might leave it. And then at the same house as this green chair, I found these. I thought they were shutters, but my mom said they're actually like bathroom swinging saloon style doors. So that's cool, but they're in pretty great shape for the most part. And I thought of putting them next to this mirror on each side because they're about the same height, and then putting them in my kitchen because I have this big blank wall that I've been needing to fill up. But yeah, those are my trash finds. Alright guys, so that's everything I have to share with you. I hope you enjoyed seeing my trash finds and my yard sale haul. Be sure to comment down below if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!